So this is a sign of corruption within our system. Because if you have a letter from the ministry coming for implementation, and the local leaders are not informed. So this must stop. We cannot be in these offices and watch, because it tarnishes the name of the fountain of honor, that he has a directive that is being diluted. This court comes, interprets this one comes, the ministry does this, then the other one does this. Now that you are here, I think this is going to be solved.
Shall work together.
But that by the time we go for elections, there is something to celebrate. Otherwise, this cannot be a song like a national anthem that every function you hold, you have to sing it. So this has become a national anthem that whenever we come, we have to talk about the South Busoga Central Forest Reserve and GAKIRIZA. You've come yourself, you've heard. What is remaining is going to the ground and see by yourself. The issues have been with the police, are in parliament, are in everywhere. But how do we lose people in an area which is not a fighting battle? Something that really can be solved. But I'm quite sure now that we have come, I strongly believe that it is going to, and I want that we are in the RDC, because we've been having problems previously. I don't want to report, but the person that you have just been arrested can easily compromise, and I'm not surprised that it can compromise someone, that if you help me with this, these letters you are seeing here, how can a letter come from the ministry without even copying them? That someone is coming to the Gazette, even the local leaders are not aware. I don't want to say constituency with problems, but a constituency that has the water bodies. Because if you are talking about our fishermen are suffering, you are talking about my constituency. If you are talking about the forest, you are talking about where south it comes. So we have been waiting for it for the last 14 years. We are waiting for the minister to come and move a motion to degazette this area as guided by the president. I want to welcome you.
Because the president has authority given to him under Article 99 of the Constitution, 1, 2, 3, to be the all authority in his hand and the implementer and executor of the Constitution. Then on Article 237, sub-Article 8, there were no enabling acts for it. That's why the president came out with the directives. For this particular one, it is sad that as the MP has read, this statement was read, it was in Parliament 2022.
Yes.
And we pledged as government that we are going to have all these titles cancelled. And
the inclusion of NFA and NEMA is important because NFA is still the custodian, the forest is not gazetted.
That's why you are talking of gazetting.
So that I'm also given clear instruction. This will help me in the field. But also too, NEMA, as per the instruction.
First of all, is moving. So it will be improper or even irregular to take this forest on the same way as any other forest, as if there is nothing happening.
And the Honourable Minister, the information is that we rationalization process.
Definitely,
the Forest Department, the Ministry of Water and Environment, that is housing NFA, be brought in together as agreed in one of the meetings we had and as per the procedure. Then to NEMA.
You want it to be brought in now. What I want to hear that you are not going to harass anybody who is resident there now. Because the process
for cancellation, so that we based on that complaint.
No. The complaint is the president himself.
Yes.
And that we are going to put that directive, it's the law now. It will not be the normal process of this giving you, then you call for public hearing. This is the directive of 6